Embarking on a journey is an opportunity to capture unforgettable moments through travel photography. Whether you're a novice with a smartphone or a seasoned professional with a DSLR, honing your photography skills is essential for preserving your adventures. Choose the appropriate equipment for your needs, from smartphones to DSLR cameras. Don't forget extra batteries, memory cards, and a reliable camera bag suitable for travel. Understand fundamental concepts like composition, the rule of thirds, and leading lines to elevate the quality of your shots. Experiment with angles and perspectives for unique viewpoints. Plan outdoor photography sessions during the golden hour for enchanting results. The gentle illumination of daybreak and dusk can transform ordinary vistas into breathtaking panoramas. Let your travel photographs tell the story of your voyage. Capture local existence, traditions, and the connections formed with indigenous people. Remember to respect local customs and laws regarding photography. With the right equipment, knowledge, and a discerning eye, you can transform your travel experiences into captivating visual narratives. So remember these travel photography tips to capture the essence of your wanderlust and create images that will transport you back to those enchanting moments for years to come.